Oh, what an adventure. Get lost with Google Maps. Good afternoon, everybody. Been a while since I've uploaded a video. The car's been stuck at the engineer's shop. He ordered the linear actuators, and when they got here they were the wrong size, so we had to send them back, and I still don't have them. I got my car back because he's going on holidays for 2 weeks over Christmas, and hopefully he will have the replacement, the right linear actuators next year sometime, and we can get that part of the job finished. That's going to be really, really good. If I haven't said it, happy Christmas to you all from me and my darling wife Siggy.
Happy Christmas and a good new year.
And a good new year. Wow, she's a bit, it's quite warm here. That's why she's sitting down in the shade. It's summer over here now. So can you come and hold this camera for a minute, love? Just hold it on whatever I grab. Okay, so so I've been using these batteries. I got this 5 amp hour one and this 18 volt 9 amp hour one that I've been using, and they also sent me this charger, and I think this one can do with a little bit of a charge. There we go. So this battery's now charging up. It even plays a little happy tune to let you know everything's good. The red light is on and it's charging. So that's marvellous. Like I said, it's nearly full. It doesn't really need it. So what another thing we're doing, can you step back a bit, love? Yeah, with the camera. Is we're going to be using these as steps in the back there to get up to the bed. And how they work is this bit here bolts into the structural parts of the wall. I got 4 of them because they come in sets of 2. I only actually need 3 of them, I think, and each one is going to be a step. Now these are rated at 150 kilo each. See, they open like that and they lock into place, and you can use them as a seat or a step, and that's how we're going to get in and out of the camper. You will see it when I actually put them in. You'll see how they work. They're full 316 stainless steel, and they lock in, and you just push the trigger, and to open them you push the trigger in and they open. They're really easy, really simple to use. They weren't terribly expensive, and they're just really good. I don't have a discount code for these, but so far we're really happy with the charger and the batteries. They're working great. Like I said, test over time. I'm going to be using them because I can, for the cost of these, yeah, are well worth it. And they're lithium-ion LFOP4 batteries. Are very safe, so they shouldn't give any trouble. They don't get hot when they're charging. They're just a brilliant little battery. And like I say again, thanks darling. And like I say again, I wrote this down. So they're from the battery factory outlet. I do have a 10% discount code for you. Now, in all fairness, this is sponsored. And what do I mean by sponsored? As I explained in the last video, they sent me the batteries and the charger for free. Okay? That does not alter what I say about them. They just said make a videos if they got problems, let us know. So far I've found no problems with them at all. They just seem to be working fine, like any batteries. They give good power, they seem to be lasting long enough, Like I'm probably use my tools a bit more than the home handyman does because I'm always doing little projects. But so far so good, people. So, and yeah, I don't make any money out of the sales of these or anything like that. I didn't take any money off them to make a video. That way I can decide what I'm going to say in the video. And I'm happy with them so far. That's about all I can say. I mean, to me, they're worth some money. Especially when you're considering the price of a Makita battery. But the test of time will tell. Alright, so that's where we're up to. We're currently charging this battery. We're currently charging all the batteries because it's been sitting in the engineer's shed for 2 weeks. And we left this battery on, so it's charging at 12 amps. It's 90%. That's nearly enough. I don't need to charge it up any more than that. And we're charging the 12 volt batteries, the new 120 amp hour lithium one that's down there, and the brand new starter battery we just put in, because both batteries had problems. Both the old AGM batteries were buggered, weren't they? They were just both dead flat. So it's, you know, they were getting on a bit, and they were getting, I don't know what, 10 years old or something, 12 years old.
Since we bought the car.
Since we bought the car, they've been in there. We bought the car in 2018, so early 2018. Anyway, we're going to finish the plumbing. Like I said, we're going to start working here and get it all done, get it sorted, put a floor in. First thing is to put a floor in, I think. And move on from there. Yeah. Alright, so look, have a good Christmas, everyone. I will, just in case you're looking for some batteries or some good quality chargers for Christmas, and you want to get a bargain, I'll put all the links, the code, all this, I will put in the comments section. I'll just pin it up to the top for your convenience. And you know, if you want to give them a go, give them a go. I've had absolutely no problems with them so far. They've been good. Isn't that right, love?
Yes.
Very good. You're looking a bit like you're looking like you've had a hard day, darling. She has. She's had a hard day. It's been hot all day today. All right. Lots of love from us. Have a great Christmas or a holiday if you don't believe in Christmas. And we'll catch us after the Christmas break. As per usual, we got the kids coming down. So this will pretty much be the last video till probably the new year. And the battery's finished. It's a very happy little battery charger, isn't it? There you go. See you later. Bye for now.